Okay, so in order for you to actually remove the background of a picture of yourself or an object, then we do need to jump into Canva. Now, some of the uses for removing a background of a picture is that you would like to place it onto perhaps like a YouTube banner or a logo picture. So in this case, I'm just going to show you very briefly how to actually remove the background of your picture using Canva. And I'm also going to, as a bonus, grab one of the pictures that are inside of Canva and show you how to remove the background of that too. Okay, so here we are inside my Canva account. And what we need to do first of all is you need to create a background canvas. So let's just go for a Instagram size, which is a square. So up here you click create a design and then just go to Instagram post. Okay, so while that loads up, what I want to do first of all is we go to uploads and you will need to upload a photograph of yourself. So to do that, you just click upload media and it will pull a photograph from your computer. If you have it on your phone, then perhaps send it to your computer using a cloud storage such as Dropbox or Google. Okay, so here, let me just grab a picture of me. As you can see in here, I've got some of me with a background. Okay, so let's just grab this one and place it on top. Now, to place it on top, all you do is you just click on the picture and it places it on top of your canvas. If you want to fill the whole canvas up, what you need to do is you need to click the picture and drag it over and it will fill the canvas up in a cropped option like you can see here. Now, all you have to do to actually remove the background is to click on the picture and go up here to where it says effects. Click effects and go to background remover. Now, background remover, I believe, is in the paid plan of Canva. So you will need to pay for the paid plan in Canva, but it's not very expensive. And for what you get out of it and the uses that you can use this tool for are amazing. So, you know, if you can, just go ahead and upgrade. Okay, so here is my picture with the background completely removed. Just a reminder of what the picture looked like before, if I go back to uploads, as you can see here, it's this picture here, and I've removed the background of it. Now, what you can do now is if you want to use this picture on another picture, for example, what one would need to do is to open the other picture up and actually just place this picture on it. So as an example, I will do another picture just to show you how to remove it. Now, before I do that, if you wanted to download this picture without a background, you would go up here to the download option and then you would click transparent background. So in order for you to actually download it with a see-through background, you would click transparent background and then you can click the download button and it will go into your computer as a picture of you, perhaps on a completely transparent background. Okay, so let's just go back to the main Canva account now. And if I were to choose a Instagram post again, this time I'm going to choose a background from within Instagram. So let's just go to photos and let's go to the beach. Let's just place this on my picture. So I'm going to drag this over and I'm going to place it on. Then I'm going to go to my uploads and I'm going to grab a picture of me. So let's just get one of me standing up full. So let's just grab this one. And I'm going to just click this one so it places it on the picture. I don't want it to fill up or crop it. I just want it to be placed on the picture. Then with this picture active, so like click on the picture to make sure, click the effects button. And again, press the background remover. Now, what this is going to do is it's only going to work on the picture that we have pressed on. So the picture on the front, if you imagine that the picture has got layers, the background is the beach and the front layer, which is the one we're acting on, is the one that we've got going here. And as you can see, it's nicely cut me out. So all I need to do then is just move myself to where I want myself in the picture and click outside it. And as you can see, there I am on the picture. If I want to make myself a bit bigger, I can just drag myself up and place myself so that my legs are at the bottom. And then I can just chop that down by dragging that little bit there and click. And that's ready for me to use. Perhaps that's like me on the beach with the pineapple in front of my face. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, do drop them in the comments below. And don't forget that if you want to learn how to grow your business using the digital tools, then please do feel free to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell if you want notification of the next time I upload a video around Canva, for example, or when I go live on this channel. Okay, my name's Anita Wong, and I will see you in the next video.